Welcome to today's edition of Additive Manufacturing News, where we bring you the latest breakthroughs, market trends, and industry insights shaping the world of 3D printing and advanced manufacturing. Here are the top stories. Global additive manufacturing market to reach nearly $90 billion by 2030. The global additive manufacturing market is set for explosive growth, with a compound annual growth rate of 21.86%. Reaching an estimated $89.91 billion by 2030. Driving this expansion are industries such as healthcare, automotive, and aerospace, where 3D printing is revolutionizing prototyping and production. Notable industry moves include Desktop Metal's merger with Stratasys and Nikon's acquisition of SLM Solutions, fueling consolidation and technological advancements. China's AI-driven leap in 3D printing. China is emerging as a global leader in AI-powered additive manufacturing despite chip restrictions. Breakthroughs in AI-driven design, process optimization, and real-time quality control are reshaping the industry. The Chinese 3D printing market is projected to hit $7.9 billion by 2030, growing at a staggering 27.5% annually. Companies like BLT and Farsoon are scaling AI-integrated solutions, while AI-powered 3D printing is being deployed for large-scale infrastructure projects, including a 180-meter-high hydroelectric dam in Tibet. Game changer: dry ice blasting for metal 3D printing. A breakthrough in post-processing is here. Toolcraft's SupportBlaster 320HA uses dry ice blasting to automate support removal from metal 3D printed parts. This innovation cuts machining time by up to 80%, reduces manual labor, and improves workplace safety. With automation demand rising, companies still relying on manual support removal risk falling behind. U.S. reshoring expected to gain momentum with 3D printing. Amid new rising tariffs and protectionist policies, the U.S. additive manufacturing industry is expected to see a reshoring boom. Companies like Stratasys, HP, and EOS are bringing production back to the U.S., capitalizing on distributed manufacturing and digital inventories. John Deere, General Motors, and Lockheed Martin are among those leveraging 3D printing to close supply chain gaps and produce mission-critical components domestically. UK universities form a Metal AM research alliance. In the UK, leading universities are joining forces to push the boundaries of metal additive manufacturing. A roundtable at the University of Birmingham brought together 30 research leaders to discuss multi-material, AM, automation, and AI-driven process optimization. With government funding and industry collaboration, the UK is positioning itself as a hub for advanced metal AM research and innovation. Top metal 3D printing companies of 2024. Voxel Matter's latest report ranks EOS as the leading metal AM company, followed by BLT and Nikon SLM Solutions. The global metal AM market is valued at $4.7 billion in 2024, with projections reaching $60 billion by 2034. Notable shifts include BLT's rapid rise, Desktop Metal's decline, and Velo3D's recovery after a recent acquisition. That's all for today's additive manufacturing news. Stay tuned for more updates on how 3D printing and AI are transforming industries worldwide. Subscribe to our podcast for weekly insights and follow us for breaking news in the world of advanced manufacturing. Until next time, keep innovating.